to my tutorial. This tutorial will be crocheting the simple granny square bandana scarf. Yeah, so it's a very easy project, and within some minutes you'll be done. It's very quick and fast. And these are the materials I'll be using. I'll be using my scrap yarn. Is a 2-ply yarn, acrylic, 100% acrylic yarn. I'll be using double strand for it. Yes, I'll be using double strand, and of course I'll be using my 4mm crochet hook, my scissors, and my needle. So let's get started. So now we'll be starting with a slip knot. Remember, roll up your yarn, hold it with your 2 fingers like this. Then grab your hook and twist your yarn. After you twist it, you're going to yarn over and pull through. Yeah, so that's how to make a slip knot. So from now we'll be chaining 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we'll start working inside the first chain we made. So we'll be making 3 double crochets inside that first chain. So go into your first chain and make 3 half double crochets, 3 double crochets I mean. Well, that's 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So after you're done with your 3 double crochets, you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and make 3 more double crochets again. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and make 1 double crochet, just 1. So the first chain 6 we made, one counts as the first one counts as the magic ring, and the 5 chains count as the chain 2 space, and the 3 chains count as the half the double crochet. Yes, so I'm going to tighten it from here. So tighten it now. So you can see the shape, how it's forming like a triangular shape. Yes, so that's how we'll be doing it. So from here I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you turn your work, and in this space here you're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. So you move to this other up space here. There's chain 2 space here. You're not going to make any chain after this. You're just going to go into here with a cluster, and that's it. Making 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. So this is the third one I'm making now. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and make another 3 double crochets inside this chain 2 space. This is the second one, and this is the third one. Then right after this, I'm moving into the third space here, this last end, and I'm not going to make any chains, so I'm just going to go into there with 3 double crochets. So I've made 2. Then this is the third one. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and make just 1 double crochet like this. So you can see how it is, how it's looking. You can see it. So I'm still going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and turn my work and make 3 double crochets inside it. So I'm just going to continue this 3 double crochets. So move to the next. Here we're not going to be making any cluster, we're just going to be making 3 double crochets. So remember, don't make any chain, just go into it with 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Then this end here, this upper point, we're going to be making 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. So this is 1, this is 2, sorry, this is 2, this is 3. Then I'm going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then make 3 more double crochets inside this. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to make mistake, you don't want to get confused, so you are just going to insert a stitch marker in the middle space here, so you know that that is where you're going to be making your clusters, and also by the edge. So after this, I'm not going to chain, just go into the next space and make my 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now over to the end, I'm going to be making 3 double crochets. First, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to chain to 1 and 2 and make just 1 double crochets. So after this, I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then turn my work and make 3 double crochets inside the space here. 2 and 3. So this procedure, you're just going to continue till you get to that desired length you want. So, and remember, you're only going to be making the 3 double crochets, chain 2 3 double crochets at this pointy space here, this point here, and the 3 double crochets, chain 2 and a single double crochet at the end point here. Then you just make your chain 5 at the other end. So that's how you're just going to be doing this. Then you continue till you get to the desired length you want. And this is the length I want. If I'm to measure this angle, the second angle, I'll be getting almost let's just say 14 inches. Yes, 14 inches, and I'm okay with that. You can do whatever length you want, however it is. So now we'll be making straps. So from here, I'm just going to make chains that I'm okay with the length. I made 34 chains, and now I'll be making single crochet in the second chain from hook, starting from the second chain from hook, not this last chain but the previous chain before the last chain. So I'm going to insert my hook there, yarn over and put through, gives me 2 loops, yarn over and put through it, or that's a single crochet. And I'm going to continue this process till I get to the beginning of the strap. Now I've done my single crochet across the strap, and now I'm at the first beginning where we made our beginning chains for the strap. Yes, I'm going to make single crochet into that space, 3 single crochets. That's 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So after making the 3 single crochets, I'm going to be making 3 single crochets across every spaces here. Then when I get to this middle space here, I'm just going to make 1 single crochet. So as you can see now, I've done that 3 single crochet in every space, and in the middle space I made just 1 single crochet, and my loose end I had to crochet it inside when I was crocheting. So this part now is the other, for the other strap. I'll be making the exact chain I made for the other one, which is 34. So I'm going to be chaining 34 now. Now I'm done with the other strap, so I'm just going to make a slip stitch inside this space here. Slip stitch is inside your hook. Grab the yarn, that's yarn over and put through it all at once. Then I'm going to chain 1 and cut my yarn. Then tighten it and sew in my loose ends. So I've sewn in my loose ends and I've cut it out. So this is how the outcome of the bandana scarf. So this is how it is. Just a very quick and easy project. So please, if you like this tutorial, if it helped, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it for it to get to others, and don't forget to subscribe, yes, so you get notified